Kenya is hosting the Future Women Leaders in Nuclear Africa Forum, which seeks to mainstream women in science and technology. Data shows that less than 40% of women are actively engaged in the field of science and technology.
Find that the lady child has been dragging behind in terms of math and science, and we are trying to encourage the girl child that what men can do, they can do it better, and we want to encourage them to study science and math, and specifically nuclear science. And that's where we are talking of women in nuclear, in Africa, in Europe, in America, and any other part of the world, so that they can be the team now, join the team to drive decarbonization of the world. Yeah.
On matters mobile money, the board of directors of Airtel Money